I'm pretty sure it has happened to you before that you wanted to post a photo or video on your Instagram, but you didn't want one specific person to see it. Today, I'm trying to give you some solutions in order to do that. Let's say I want to add a new post. I scroll down to find the right photo and then I tap on next. Here you can edit that photo, like the brightness, or if you want, you can type something on it and then tap next. And here you can add audio, or you can tag people, or you can add location. And if you scroll down, you can see this option says audience. So for me, right now it's on followers. It means everybody who follows me, if I post this photo, they will see it. Now, if I choose close friends, here it says one person. You can add maybe all of your followers, except that specific person who you don't want to see your post. And that way, when you go back and share this post, it says share your Instagram post to Facebook automatically. That doesn't really matter. I'm going to tap not now. Post it. And there's just one thing that you should be aware of. That top here, it says close friends. So that is maybe kind of the only bug that people will know that this post has not been shared with all of your followers, but with just, some specific people who are in your close friends. And we can even test this. I can check my account from my other account. As you can see, that post is not showing up here. But if I go back and add that account to my close friends, done. And when I go back and search for my account, as you can see, this photo is apparent. And as you can see, there is this little icon on the top that says it's not shared with everyone, only close friends. One thing you need to keep in mind is that if you add that person to your close friends list later on and that post is still shared on your profile, they definitely will be able to see it if they check your profile. Hope this helps. Don't forget to subscribe for more.